Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you an amazing simple way to turn sunlight into safe drinking water using solar distillation. This method is not only low-tech and effective, but also super handy for survival situations. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need a clear plastic sheet, a container to collect the distilled water, some rocks or weights, and of course contaminated water. Best part? These are all easy to find items. Alright, so here's the process. Start by digging a shallow pit in the ground. The size of the pit depends on how much water you want to distill, but for a good start, make it about 3 feet wide and 2 feet deep. Next, place your container at the bottom center of the pit. This container will collect the distilled water, so make sure it's clean. Now pour the contaminated water into the pit, but not into the container. You want the water surrounding the container, not inside it. Here comes the magic part. Cover the pit with the clear plastic sheet, securing the edges with rocks or weights. Make sure the plastic sheet is taut and angles down towards the center, directly above your container. This setup will allow the condensed water to trickle down into the container. Now, let's talk science. When the sunlight hits the plastic sheet, it heats up the contaminated water, causing it to evaporate. The vapor rises, condenses on the underside of the plastic sheet, and then drips into the container as clean water. It's like nature's very own water factory, but how much water can you actually get from this? On a sunny day, a well-constructed solar still can produce about a quart of water per day. It might not sound like much, but in a survival situation, it can be a lifesaver. A few tips to maximize your results. Make sure the plastic sheet is as tight as possible to avoid losing any vapor. Also, you can add some green vegetation into the pit along with the contaminated water to increase the amount of moisture available for distillation, and there you have it. Purifying water using solar distillation is a fantastic skill to have in your DIY toolkit. It's simple, effective, and a great way to ensure you have safe drinking water when you need it most. Thanks for watching. For more video updates, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, The Survival Guide. Stay tuned for more content. Follow here at The Survival Guide R30. Stay safe and keep creating.